Welcome back to Great Day St. Louis. So this morning we're talking about treatment options for thyroid issues. Dr. Kyle Longo from Empower Health joins us this morning to help break this down for us. First of all, I guess before we talk about treating thyroid issues, we should talk about what kinds of thyroid issues people might be experiencing. Many of them probably not even realizing it has anything to do with their thyroid, right?
Yeah, there are two major categories of thyroid disease. There's hyperthyroid, where you're making too much thyroid hormone, and there's hypothyroid, where your thyroid isn't making enough. Within those two main branches, if you will, there are different reasons or mechanisms as to why you might have. Hypothyroid tends to be much more common, and that's what patients come to see me more often with. Hypothyroid can come from a number of different factors, and maybe we'll get into that at a later time. The symptoms that they show up with, regardless of what the mechanism is as to why they're hypothyroid, tend to be the same. Weight gain or inability to lose weight, anxiety, depression, nervousness, sweating hot flashes, feeling hot or cold, depression, the list really goes on, and GI upset, feeling maybe low energy, fatigue, like you just can't do the things you want to do, no sex drive, things like that.
I can see why it would be so frustrating to not be able to pinpoint the root cause of that, because so many of those things can be associated with other conditions. So, so once it comes time to try to treat this and try to treat the root cause of it, what is it that you're able to offer these patients, and what is it that you guys do differently in your office?
Really, because the symptom set is so diverse, the diagnosis becomes paramount. You have to, like you said, find out what the root cause is, and that requires doing an expansive set of testing. Most doctors, when they suspect thyroid, they might check one or maybe two different thyroid levels. There's a cascade of events that happens, and they check one or two of those different events, but you really need to look at everything, 6 or 8 or 10 different things, and then other factors that might be causing these symptoms. And once you have all that information, then you can customize a treatment plan that makes all the difference in the world.
I'm glad you said the word customize, because as you said, everybody walks in with different circumstances, kind of a different story of how they got to you. So it's refreshing to know that everybody's going to get their own sort of personalized, customized treatment. Dr. Longo, thank you so much. We appreciate it. Empower Health is located on in Creve Coeur on Ballas Road. And Dr. Longo mentioned how important that testing is. He's offering a consultation, exam, and testing for just $39. That's how the process starts. You can also register on the website. The number's right there on your screen. It's 314-778-3222. And the website is empowerhealthstl.com.